Good afternoon, Adam. Can you say something about your company?
My company is named Bitgreen, and we are a blockchain that's built on top of the Polkadot platform. And our focus is to create an ecosystem for sustainability and environmental and social governance on top of the blockchain.
In your presentation, you refer to Web3. Can you explain about it?
That's right. The fundamental value of Web3 is that individual users are allowed to own their own assets and their own property. A distinction to Web2 would be, let's say, as a user on Facebook or Twitter, if you were to voluntarily leave those networks, then Facebook and Twitter can confiscate all of your assets, all of your pictures, all of your passwords, all of your network connections. When signing up for a Facebook or Twitter account, you essentially acquiesce your ownership to your activity and your data. On Web3, the networks and the technology allows you to be the sole owner and executor of your own digital property. And we haven't even begun to contemplate what the ramifications of that would be, that an individual user can be the owner of their entire digital asset portfolio and their identity, and where they can actually travel and move and interact on the internet, and what that would not only do for their own personal empowerment, but how that potentially then empowers the evolution of other products that might want to compete with a Twitter or a Facebook, but right now are a bit stifled because users will not leave those networks because they're afraid of having to acquiesce their assets.
Okay, thanks. So nowadays, the crypto world is quite big jungle with new crypto starting each day. Don't you think there are too many cryptocurrencies already?
You haven't seen anything yet.
More will come.
Yeah, more will come because they're going to be as numerous as the stars in the sky, because we're a fundamentally diverse species and race. And as there are numerous different artistic expressions and musical expressions and cuisines, right, and languages, crypto will not only emulate that, but it will probably magnify it, again, because with Web3, there's the opportunity for each individual to own their own property, and therefore to become their own market, right? And so there will be, since there's a market and there will be buyers and producers, there will also be producers and creators on the other side looking to micro-target those audiences.
Okay, nowadays Bitcoin is the most dominant crypto, it seems. Do you think it will persist?
No, there's something that's called the flippening. I categorically think that Ethereum is about to flip the market dominance for Bitcoin. And I can't give you a time prediction on that, but I do think that it is somewhat imminent in the grand scale of.
Okay, thanks for the interview.
This was great, thanks.